all of you have told me, expressed to me several times that you love singing. So before we start off, can we have a singing session?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
So when I louder. So much more. It's exciting. Surrounded by ways of your mystery. Lord, show me what you want to be. Deep, 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 deep. Ocean blue, deep, deep, deep. Deep in my faith with you, deep, deep, deep. Deep in my heart I see your love is endlessly deeper than the sea. Now quietly come back to your places. Are you refreshed? Feeling good? Yes. Thank you. Now, ready now? Yes, we are going to learn something exciting today also. So, yesterday we learned about the mountains. Am I right? Yes. Now, you learn about the mountains, and I've got some slips with me, some flashcards, and you're going to tell me, or quickly what you can do is, just go to your groups and find out the different parts of a mountain range. There are different things, the vocabulary associated with mountains. You learned, yes? Get your group and start discussing. Go to your group. Go to your group. A, B, C, D, E, F. Just I'll count 5 and it should finish. Write it down quickly. Write it down. Write it down. Yes. Quick. Yes. I'll just count 5 and you should finish because this you know already. You're not discussing? Are you not? Yeah, you got your answers right. Brilliant. Yes. Your time is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay if you haven't got all the words. Your time is over. Wherever there are mountains in the world, you can see different features of these mountains. You learn about them. Yes? Can we go? Which alphabet do you want to start with? A? Okay. A, please tell me any 2 features of these mountains. Come on. Fast. We're going to refresh, recall what we learned. Any 2 features. Louder. You didn't discuss anything. What's written there? What are those? Yes, peaks. Very good. And what is that? Can you please read out? Glaciers. Give them a hand. Wherever there are mountains, there are glaciers. Then which is the other one you said? Peaks are there. Yes. Mountains have peaks. Slopes. Yes, they have slopes. Yes. Yeah. Next. B group. Please pay attention. B group. Can you tell any 2 things? Any 2? Valleys. Do you agree? Yes, valleys. You have valleys. Now, okay, you already said 2. Okay, passes. Now. Right. Now, this group.
Mountain ranges.
Mountain ranges, yeah, I'm talking about mountain range, the vocabulary, the words that are associated with mountain ranges. So glaciers, valleys, passes, snow, okay, lot of snow that gets thickened up to form glaciers. Tributaries, you're talking about rivers? Yes, good, tributaries, yes. So I'll just write rivers here. Now next, yes. Rivers, yes. Anything else?
Himalayas.
Himalayas is the name of a mountain range. Yeah. Anything else is left? Huh? Distributaries. Do we find near the mountains distributaries?
No.
No. So anything else? You have valleys, steep slopes. Wonderful. I think you have learned all of these, right? You've learned glaciers, valleys, passes, rivers. Can you tell me what is a valley? This group. This group. Yeah.
A lowland.
Louder, louder.
A lowland between mountains or hills.
Excellent. A low-lying area or a lowland between the mountains make up valley. So, have you been to a hill station?
Yes.
You can also have hill stations in valleys. Can you give me one example of such one?
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling, brilliant. Any other hill station you find in the valleys on top of the mountains? Shimla, brilliant, brilliant. So I think I need to give all 4 groups 5 marks each. Yes, you will be awarded that. Now, can you tell me what passes are? This group. 1 minute, please sit down. You can't raise your hands when it's their turn, right? So, passes, passes. Come on, come on. Yes, what are passes? Please listen. Huh?
A low, narrow gap.
Yeah, where is the gap? Where is the gap?
Low, narrow. Natural.
Natural gap where? Where? Where?
Where the mountains
Between the mountains. Between the mountains.
is called a It's called a pass. Passes.
Low natural gap between a natural narrow gap between mountains. Yes.
A low, narrow, natural gap between mountains are called passes.
Passes. How does it help? How does it help?
Helps to cross mountains.
Cross from one side of the mountain range to the other side. It helps whom? Travelers. So I think all of you should get 5 marks each. So I can give you easily your amazing students. Yes? We are going to learn something else. Can you guess what we are going to learn? Yes, you are right. You're going to learn about the rivers. Everybody has a journey in life. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Rivers too have their own journey. And I just want all of you to listen to the story of a river. All of you look at me. I know, it's awesome. It's so beautiful to watch. What is happening there?
It's flowing.
It's flowing. What is flowing?
Water.
Water. Water. Does it flow when I pour water into this? Does it flow high or it goes wherever the down low? Water always flows from a higher level to a lower level. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes. So, water, is it useful to everybody?
Yes.
It is. And though it's very useful to everybody, it is most humble. It doesn't go up and make everybody feel that it's so arrogant or it's feeling great about itself. Yes or no? But the rivers have their own stories. Do you want to listen to the story of a river? Yes. Journey of a river. So don't look at that. Just listen to me. All right? Are you ready to listen to the story? Now, when I tell the story of a river, I assume myself to be a river. Okay? Got it? So I'm going to tell the story as I am the river. So you're going to listen to my story. I am the river now. So, I am the river. People, all living creatures, they sustain their life from the waters I give them. I always quench everybody's thirst, and I always begin my journey from the mighty mountains. As I flow down, I am like a child, like all of you. A child is always full of energy, eager to learn, eager to collect things, eager to explore. Don't you think so? Yes. So I am the river. I am a child when I begin my journey. So can you help me, please? I fall from the mountains. Come this side and hold. I fall from the mountains. When I fall from the mountains, many small rivers join me. And the main river, that is me, become broader and broader with the rivers joining. And these small rivers are called the tributaries that add on to the volume of this water. I am so happy because I rapidly fall down and gushing down the mountain slopes. I gather lot of things, stones, alluvium, lot of sediments. Then I reach the plains. When I reach the plains, can you hold them? When I reach the plains, I am no more a child. I am like your father and mother, a middle-aged human being. And I deposit all the sediments and alluvium on the banks. Okay? What happens to the soil when I deposit these sediments? Can you speak louder?
It becomes fertile.
Absolutely. I make the soil very fertile. And all the human inhabitants, they love to settle near my banks so that they can get the waters for all their living purposes. As I flow, sometimes I bend where there is a lowland and making curves called meanders. Wow, brilliant. And then as I flow down, I become old like your grandpa and I become slow. I'm full, I don't have energy and I lose all my energy and I want to give away my treasure like your grandparents giving away their properties. I give away. I lose my strength and I become several branches. I cannot flow anymore in one lot. So these branches, they spread and this is the sea. Can you come here? Spread this. This is the sea. Here I deposit all my sediments, and another word for sediments is alluvium, and I form several islands, and this forms a triangle shape. You are right, I'm talking about the delta. So I form delta. Not all rivers. Do all rivers form delta? No. So I end my journey, I join back the ocean and I become one with the ocean. That is human life. Don't you think so?
Yes.
A human life begins from when a child is born, full of energy, gathering all the things like you do. You collect stamps, you collect toys, yes? And then when you become big, you start earning for your family, to look after your family. Then you start giving away, just like the river, making the banks fertile, correct? When I reach the sea, just like a human life, at the end of the journey, all humans die and they merge with the universe. The river merges with the sea. Do you like the story of the river?
Yes.
So you heard several names, correct? You heard several names associated with the features of the river, correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask you, you remember all of these?
Yes.
Did you listen carefully?
Yes.
You did, right? Now, I'm going to place this picture on the desktop and I'm going to ask you to find out the different parts Okay, do you remember the words associated with this? Do you?
Yes.
So, can you read out these names? Just hold this. Hold this. Just hold this. Come. Now, all of you together read out from here. What is this?
Alluvial sediments.
What is all of you together? Can you see this? Meander.
Distributaries. Main rivers. Delta region. Tributaries.
So can I move this a little bit? Okay. So you got this? Now they are going to place all of these there using the magnets here. The names are already written there. You can, it's easy for you. So can you place these? Can you place these yourself? Place this. Place. Do it together. We give them some time, right? Yeah. You want more magnets? Yeah. Delta region can be placed here. You can place it over that. Over that. Yeah.
Okay, I found tributaries.
Yeah. Distributaries you can place it here. Place it here. Yeah. Now can I help you to place this, please? Sediments. Yeah. Delta region. Where is delta region? That's left there. You left it there. Delta region. Yeah. Yes. Give me that, please. Yeah, do it, please. Come here. Please do it quickly. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Clap for them. Yes. So, now, who is going to explain what these tributaries are? Can I have F group? Anyone from that group telling me what are tributaries? What are tributaries? From F group. F group, can you sit down, please? You have to listen. Yes, come on, tell me what are tributaries?
These are small rivers joining.
Are small, louder.
Tributaries are small rivers joining the main river.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Tributaries are small rivers joining a main river. Okay. What is a distributary? That I'll come to that later. What are meanders? This group. What are meanders? Yeah, Reen, louder.
When rivers take a turn and they turn in different directions.
It takes a turn and it winds and makes a curve. See this? Correct? Wherever there is, yes, come on, continue.
When it makes,
Are you listening?
when it makes a curve, it,
Yeah.
it makes a many curves, and this whole area is called
These are called meanders. All of you, these are called meanders. It bends and winds to take a curvy path. Yes, and this part of the river are called meanders. Good, well done. Now, can anybody explain to me here in this group, what are distributaries? Come on, you had your turn, right? What are distributaries? Come on. What are distributaries? Sure, you are not able to answer what distributaries are? Yes?
rivers or stream branches off from the main stream.
When it reaches the sea, what happens? What happens when it reaches the sea?
It branches off from,
It branches off.
from the main.
So these branches are called distributaries. Give her a hand. Can you explain to me again quickly? What are distributaries? Louder. When a river nears, what happens to it? It becomes slow. Louder. Be confident. Sit down. And then what happens to it? It becomes slow. It breaks into channels or branches to form distributaries. Very good. Good attempt. Clap for them. Now, this entire shape is forming a delta, right? What shape is it? So I've drawn a triangle here. Can you see that? Yes. So there is, just like your alphabet A, B, C, D, okay? We have a Greek alphabet, delta, and that D is in this shape. You write delta. We write in English alphabet, you write the letter D like this. In Greek, we write it like this. Okay? So this is in the shape of a delta, a triangular shape. So we call this entire region a delta. Now, who amongst you will explain what a delta is? Okay, this time I give a chance. Okay, yes? Can you please tell me? D group?
When a river nears the sea, flows down and breaks into channels called distributaries. It deposits a large amount of sediments at the mouth of the river by forming small islands. This
entire region of distributaries and the islands, sediments, correct, you're right. It's called this triangular area, right? Give her a clap. Now I'm going to give you a small task to do, for which I want to distribute this board. Just take it from me. Each group will get one. Yeah. Yeah, you can use this other side of it, please. You use one, please. I'll give you a task to do. You have to form a delta. Anybody who has to get, yeah. Use the other side. Use the, you got one? Everybody got one. This is yours. Okay, 1, 2, 3, look at me. 1, 2, 3, which group is going to get 10 full marks? Listen. I think you are disturbing. Please. You are disturbing. Please listen to the instructions. Please listen to the instructions. Whenever you are given a task, you have to listen to the instruction. Can I have you listening here to the instructions? You get minus points now. 5 times. Please, you're a good boy. So, I'm going to give you something, and you're going to make the delta formation, and you're going to use only one side of it, and this you can use for C. Okay, and this you can use for C. Only one side you have to use. And I'm going to give you some mountains. Just distribute 3 mountains. Just take some mountains. Give this to them, please. Hurry up. Hurry up. This for you. Yeah. You got mountains? Give it them. 1 minute. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, now take the big rivers and give one river, main river to everybody. Yeah, the river journeys from the mountains to the sea. So all of us say together, when the river nears the sea, it flows down, it breaks up into channels called distributaries. They deposit large amount of sediments to mouth of the river to form the delta region. Example, Nile, Amazon, Volga River, Amazon. Clap, clap for everybody. So well done, children. You have done your task very well. You have made the delta. So one more time, can we say what a delta is? When the river nears the sea, it slows down, and it breaks up into channels called
Distributaries. It deposits a large amount of sediment
Good.
at the mouth of the river.
to form the delta region. Go, please. Okay? Well done. Clap for all of you. So today we learned about deltas. Example of one delta. Which river forms a delta? Nile River, Mississippi, Amazon. Well done. So tomorrow we'll get back to learn more about rivers. Thank you.
And now it is break period.
Yes, I know.